Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to get into this look, this hair, this face, everything. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my hair. I have a little tutorial that I put together for you guys, and then I also have a makeup tutorial for this look. It's very much Valentine's Day inspired, so I hope you guys enjoy both of those. I'm gonna try to make this video as short as I possibly can. I'm going to try, and that way you guys, you know, you kind of get the idea and the gist of how I did this. This is literally like a $10, I think it was $10 hair look, and I used one pack. It was simple, easy, perfect crochet style. So I will give you guys all the details in the video coming up. If you like this, please subscribe, please like. Share your comments below. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials like this, or if you have any tutorials idea. I would love to hear them. So like, subscribe, become a part of my tribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to include some information in the video before we carry on with this tutorial. So my hair was twisted the night before and also stretched. I then braided it back in 2 sections, as you guys can see. The crochet stick that I'm using is actually from a fabric store. I got the idea because my mom was like a crochet master. It's a lot sturdier, has a wood handle. The bar is actually metal, and I find that it just works perfect for my particular hair and the styles that I like to do. I only use 1 pack of hair. This is the Afro Spring Twist, I believe it's called. I'll leave a link to it in the description through Amazon, and I will leave the proper details. I believe it's about 16 inches. That's how long the hair is. Each section comes as thick as you see me putting them in. In the back though, I did separate them so just to create more fullness in the hair. And of course you can decide to use it, you know, more packs or less. I didn't want it too full just because it was my first time and I didn't know how thick it was actually going to appear. I have done so much with this particular hair, guys. I've worn it as a ponytail. I've done different updo styles. You can definitely play around with this hair. It looks very natural, so I definitely encourage you guys to enjoy it. If you have any questions, leave it below. I will put all information in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on in the next video tomorrow.
on the ground, how I lie. You're full of vibe. Chop it on the ground, how I lie.